Hello, welcome to BA Survival. I'm going to be showing you how we can light a fire using a can. Firstly, you're going to need an ordinary drinks can. You need a pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes. Then we need to polish the bottom of the can. I've been using a metal polishing paste here that I've already polished. As you can see there, the bottom of the can is nice and shiny, and that's going to reflect the sun's rays really well. There's a couple of things that you can use. One of the best things is char cloth. So, as I'm sure most of you are aware, char cloth is pieces of natural material, i.e. 100% cotton, that has been charred in a container such as this, with a little hole in to allow the vapors to escape, but not big enough to let any oxygen in there, so that the material actually burns. So it burns without the presence of oxygen. So the way I'm doing it then, I'm never going to look directly at the sun, but I can use the shape of the shadow. So as I hold the can up towards the light, I can tell that it's pointing directly at the sun, because the shadow will form a nice round circle. Then what I can do with my piece of char cloth is just to lower that down until it gets roughly into that position. I'm just going to line that up with the sun, and then find the focal point on the bottom of that char cloth. And you see there, it's already starting to smoke. And that's all it's taken there. Literally took a few seconds. Then I could take that and put that into my tinder bundle char cloth. Got a nice dry grass tinder bundle. And there we go, nice and easy. Easy as that. If you haven't got any char cloth, what you can use is pieces of certain funguses. So I've literally just got this off the tree and I've sliced it up into chunks. This will take a little bit longer, but again I'm going to line that up directly with the sun, and then find that focal point. So it does take a little bit longer with this than the char cloth, but like I said, this is a natural material. Pretty much you can just take it. This is why it's important that you're wearing sunglasses, because even though I'm not staring directly at the sun, I do need to be looking at the focal point in order to see whether it's working or not. And again, nice smouldering piece of fungus there. That'll smoulder for a long time, and I can put that straight into my tinder bundle as before. Now, one last final tip: if you don't have any mushroom or any char cloth, you can actually just use the dry grass itself. But to do this, you want to find the driest grass and really break up those fibres and roll it into a nice little ball. Switch sides so hopefully you can see it a little bit closer up. Some really dry, powdery grass there. There we go. Once you find the right area, starting to do it a lot more. Again, got quite a small amount there, but I could easily take that now as a smoking ember and put that into a tinder bundle. Hopefully you've learned something there, a quick survival tip. the fact that you can actually use things like cans to light a fire in a survival situation if you ever needed to. A couple of methods there, using pre-prepared materials like char cloth or natural materials just like dried grass. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. A few gentle bullet breaths, and actually that's really cool now. You'd have a lot bigger tinder bundle because this is actually burning my fingers. If you haven't got char cloth, another thing that you can use is pieces. Stay.